Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find if you have any famous relatives or Ancestry.com. It's easier than you think. First of all, open the Ancestry application. Make sure to download it from Play Store or App Store. If you don't want to download it, go to the Google Chrome and type there Ancestry.com and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, this is their account, as you can see, your profile. Now next step is use the famous people tool. Ancestry has hints and connection. Click on your profile or an ancestor, then look for any hints like famous connection or records that mention notable people. These may link you to celebrities or politicians or historical figures. Then step 3 is to explore historical records. You can also use Ancestry historical records. Search it. You can search from here and search in here. The first and middle name, last name, the people lived, and the last year. You can also filter it by the event or the gender like this. Now verify and connect. When you find a possible famous relative, check dates, locations, and family connection carefully. Make sure the link is accurate before claiming the relationship. And that's it. With this step, you might discover some famous relatives in your family tree. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more genealogy tips. And I'll see you in the next one.